Hey guys, do you see that sunshine in the background? Whoa, what time is it?
7:31.
Not sure if you guys are seeing it, but 7:31. Hey guys, so we're now at No Frills. We're about to do a shopping vlog, but different kind of shopping vlog. The vlog that we're gonna be doing right now is what can you get for 150 Canadian dollars? What can you get for 150 Canadian dollars? So a lot of persons have been saying that Canada is, you know, really in a crisis right now. I'm not gonna lie, things are really expensive compared to when we just came. But we're gonna try and keep our budget to $150 right now and see what we're able to get. And then you guys comment and tell me what if you'll be able to get the same things in your country, or more things in your country, or more things in your province. We're at No Frills, by the way. That's where we're at. And if you guys don't know where No Frills is, it's the cheap, or supposed to be the cheap, supposed to be the cheap store in Canada. But let's do and see. All right, guys. Yes guys, so if you guys don't know, we have to start at this aisle. Peter Shore, take up to that one at that time, yes. So this is all a part of our 150 budget as well. So we'll take up 2 of that, 1 of this. Now that is the No Frills or the PC brand. And that is the original Peter Shore. And then what's also a part of our 150 budget is feeding. But I'm not saying any. Oh, here it is. $28. So that by itself, guys, $50 gone out of the money already. $50 gone already, just like that. Disappear. Let's go and get some fruits and veggie. Yeah. It doesn't matter. I'm sure you want to. I think we need some seasoning as well, babes. Grapes, let's start from up top right here. Let's get some scallion and stuff. Okay, let's get some grapes. And remember, it's $150, okay? Let's see. I have to buy grapes, guys, because our kids are addicted to grapes. Do we have any lettuce in the fridge? I think we do. Look fresh? $1.29. If you go over, you're paying, yeah. Pick up grapes already. I think we had carrots. And what about bell pepper? Or bok choy? Oh, here it is. Yeah, I'll pick up like 2. So $1.29. So no sweet pepper on the list today because it's too expensive. Oh yeah, green pepper. Let's look over the cheap side. What about those up top? Is that for $2 too? Yeah. Oh no, maybe. Because it says green, so I'm guessing. Let's pick up the green one now, babes. This is me trying to gauge the weight. Wanna feel too heavy? Yeah, this is around a pound. See the scale here, I can go test my accuracy. Let's see. And the strawberry? Strawberry look expensive to them, man. Oh, whoa! Still got it. Banana. $0.79 per pound. Back in Jamaica, just say, give me an banana. We're here buying banana by the pound. My ancestors would be ashamed of me. What are you going to get? Okay, what else do we have? I think tomatoes. We have tomato? I don't think we have any tomatoes. No, pick one of this. $2.49. Not is finding all the cheap section today. I'm saying not is finding all the cheap section today. We don't need any onions because we got those at Costco. You want to pick up bread? Or ginger? No, we're supposed to have ginger the last time. None for regular. Yes? I'm looking for the thick slice. They don't have any other thick slice. So we're gonna have to get the thin slice. Wheat bread, guys, be healthy. She does. What happened to tree bread for $5? $3.79 for bread now. Our bread at least. So Canada is going through a crisis. This was for $1, $2 something the other day. Okay. What's that? What's the difference between that and this? Oh, this is Dempster. Pick up Wonder there. Eh? Yeah. $2. Okay. Picking up two. So Wanda got the nod. Okay. What we're looking like so far, guys. Remember now, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's probably $60. 11, 22, 35, $60. So we literally would need $90 more. We need francs. $6. Not bad. We're gonna look over the cheap meat section. I'm not sure, do we need eggs? Or oil? Huh? Where's the cheap meat section? It's gone? It was here? You want to pick it up? The fish that nuts like, but I don't really like.
It's the only fish you eat.
You don't like it? Really? You could have fooled me.
Why? Because I always eat it.
Yes. The fish that nobody liked. It's definitely a lot more expensive than it was. Okay. So I guess we can't put any shrimp on our bill today. So I'm gonna... This is me cutting my eye past the shrimp. What else did I... Oh, we need baked bean. Let's pick up some sardine. Cup soup. $3 for $7? $4 for $7?
It used to be $1. Well, less than we pay $1.99 each.
$1.99, that's basically $2. So just pick up one more and you get one for $1 pretty much. Shopping smart. We're shopping smart today, babes. Let's see what we can get for $1.50 Canada. Let's see what we can get. Didn't we buy mac and cheese in Costco? No?
No, we didn't.
Or we didn't pick it up because I said I didn't like the one. Okay. $99.
99 cents.
No name. By the way, when I say no name, that's the actual name of the brand. It's called... All the steady babes. It's called No Name.
Oh, yeah, but the cheese that is in here, they're not going to like.
Fromage. But that's 99 cents down there too. At the bottom. Malia wants her mac and cheese. Is there an Alfredo sauce? Classic. Oh, we don't have any shrimp. I'm sorry. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it moving. Some sardines, maybe. And cup soup. Alright, so we still got cheese stuff, like the chocolate stuff still there. No name of cup soup? No name cup soup. And it look like the one that we're used to.
I'll stay with this.
Okay. No name to the rescue.
I just need some. What is good? Or bad? Chicken.
What flavor is that they have? Oh, chicken and beef. Since we can't afford shrimp today, do they have any shrimp cup soup?
We have to go down.
Oh my gosh.
Mix it with one shrimp. One shrimp, all the same price. So.
If the shrimp missing, you know where it is.
Getting expensive. Getting expensive.
Okay, you got your cup soup. Let's get sardine. Sardine. Babes, at this point, I don't even know. Everything there's an extra $1, extra $2, or extra something. What am I doing in this aisle? What do we need? Oh, let's look. I need corned beef, maybe. Let's do a cart check. Oh, we probably have to go stop now, you know. Because we're pushing it. And we need juice. Juice is the need. You're not picking up pastillos for your daughter? Oh, Malika want chips, yes. Hey, I saw this a while ago and thought it was a real person. Okay, so let's get one and only cranberry. This is one of the only juice that them drink. And let's pick up juice for your daughter and niece. One for each. $4 something. Put it back. I'm joking. Okay, are we forgetting anything? Okay, that's that. To the cashier. Fingers crossed, guys. Oh, chips for Malika. Yes, guys, Malika is eating chips. Malika is eating chips again. Potato chips, but it has to be plain. No salt and vinegar, none of that crap. Lays. Wonder if we can buy the small pack of Lays and send to school with her. Cause she like the bag. Yeah. I have no idea. You gonna get Pringles too? No, true, I saw you stop right here.
They had a package of those really small.
The Pop-Tarts. It's like $2 or something. You can probably pick it up. Which flavor I think you'd like? This is raspberry.
Strawberry.
strawberry. This one. It has a big strawberry on the box that she will be like strawberry.
This one, this is like our green.
And this is what? Just for this one. Okay. Pop-Tarts. Let's do it before we spend more than what we come in here to spend. Hmm? Come here, let's go to the cashier. Guys, been with this guy over, I know, but how much for it? Put it back. Not today, not right now. Come in, back with the lace. Up to the cashier we go. Fingers crossed, let's see. Let's see, Canada, let's see. Let's go right here. This is empty. I need a piece of bread. Oh, she scanned it already. Leaving the store a proud lady. Paid your bill. Getting out of here. Look at that sunset, guys. Beautiful. That is sunset. Look at that sky then. Okay, so I'm sitting beside my groceries. You know, you have to die with a sword. In terms of like, you have to make a plan and stick to it. That's what's happening right here, guys. So we intended to spend $150. We end up spending $155. Now, I'm not gonna lie. If we didn't have to buy so much Pediasure and feeding, we would have been able to get quite a few more stuff like rice, flour, stuff like that. But the Pediasure and feeder came to roughly $60. So in a nutshell, probably $85 was spent on everything else, which is not that bad. Now the question I want to ask you guys is, what would you be able to get this for in your home country? In conversion, $155 would be roughly 16,000 Jamaican dollars, or probably 15,000 mash Jamaican dollars, right? With that being said, this would have been a lot cheaper when we just came to Canada. However, things are a lot more expensive right now. But is it at crisis level? What do you guys think? Now we see the videos, guys. People are saying that things are so expensive. Don't move to Canada. You're not gonna be able to afford to feed your family. You're gonna starve to death. All of these things is what people are saying. A lot of people are saying it. Now what do you guys think? As I said, things were a lot cheaper when we just came. But that's just facts of life. Inflation, cost of living is always going up. And it's not just in Canada, it's every country. Now, we are from Jamaica, and when we were leaving Jamaica 10 years ago, 5 years ago before, Jamaica was a lot more affordable than it is right now. COVID has made a lot of things more expensive than what it really is. That's just the truth of the matter. Now, from what my perspective is, we are not rich. We are not rich yet. Now, we're gonna be rich, but for now, we're just a middle class family, average income, just living. And if we balance our thing properly, and if we really budget and structure our thing, we're able to live, and we're able to live quite comfortable. Now we're in Grand Prairie, Alberta, which is a lot different than other places in Canada. Now that's one of the things that you guys have to consider as well. When you're moving to Canada, choose where you're going very wisely. And things may be more expensive than what it is somewhere else in Canada, right? Now we got some stuff. We can eat some dinner tonight, for example. And it cost us $155. If you haven't already, guys, smash the like on the video. Please take this opportunity to do so right now. It really helps out the channel, right? If you want to see more of these videos, of course, drop the comment right down below in the comment box. It really helps out the video, but it also give us an idea of what kind of video you guys want to see. And we're always interested in that, because our main goal is to show you guys Canadian content that is beneficial to you guys. So if you guys want to see more of these vlogs, more of these shopping videos, so you guys can really assess and see what things will cost you in Canada, just drop a comment and let us know. And most importantly, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button. We're on a mission, or on a goal to get to 10,000 subscribers as quickly as possible, but we can't do it without you guys. So hit that subscribe button. Don't be a silent watcher. If you're even watching on your TV, be intentional to go and subscribe. I'll give you guys a second to do that. Thank you so much for doing that, guys. It really helps us out. And you know what, if you're a long time subscriber, we appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. But do us a favor as well, hit that share button. Share this video so that other persons can see what it is actually like on a day-to-day basis. Average grocery, what will it cost you? Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.